me go back to the last page. I'm so sorry. I apologize. So you added the accent on this.
I left it on purpose so you can put the accent yourself.
Okay, so it is not usually said or written without these accents. This was
It's always with the accent.
Always with the accent. Okay.
Look at this. You see that? They have accent in that story. They have accent on everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Okay.
For clarity.
And if the accent is not there, it changes.
It changes. It could change the meaning.
It changes the tone.
And
The tonal marks. Those are tonal marks.
Okay.
Accents. Those are tonal marks at the top. And when that changes, it changes the entire meaning.
Yes.
Okay. The last one, the dot below. If you have a dot below,
Yes.
like an O, like
Yeah.
or, but
Yeah.
you have the accent grave. Or you have
It will change that too.
So there's three.
So,
there's three different or. There's three different ones you can have. You can have the one with the dot.
Yes.
And this way.
All of
and
them.
That way.
All
three.
of them. But on all the vowels, R, A, N, E, O, or U, right?
Mm-hmm.
On all of them, they can have accents on top of them.
And dots under.
Huh?
And the dot.
And the middle one.
Oh,
And the dot under, not the A. The A won't have. The ones that have dot under are these ones I'm showing you right here.
Okay.
They have dot
Only
under.
those.
Only those.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So, but thank for mentioning that because
Okay.
let's say we have OJO,
Yeah, I didn't think like that.
OJO, right? And this would be could be name of a person called Ojo. Ojo. You see how that is? And then OJO. Ojo. This is a coward, right? Ojo.
Or it burned.
Huh?
Ojo, that thing got burnt.
No. This is Ojo neutral too. Ojo will be going up.
Okay, Ojo. Okay.
Now, Ojo with the accent on the I. Ojo is now sounding different because of the accent of the dot on the I.
Ojo.
Ojo and Ojo.
Ojo.
And Ojo.
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 You see the difference?
Ojo.
So O and O. Yoruba alphabet have O, we have O.
That was confusing.
You had two letters there.
It was confusing you, but not now, right?
Not now.
Okay. You break that ice.
Yes.
Yeah. Ojo, Ojo, coward, and Ojo, that is dayrise, sunrise. Ojo, when they are saying Ojo, could mean the day, could mean the rising of the sun. Oju Ojo. Oju is I. Oju, Ojo. When they are saying, Báwo ni ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí? What's the weather like? What's the day like? You see? Oòrùn yọ. No sun. And they relate sun with the dew. The dew in the morning dew. When the sun comes out, the morning dew disperses, right? And that's actually a proverb and also incantation and also affirmation. Let's say you rise up from your bed and then you say, I rise like the sun, right? And I disperse any obstacles in my presence like the sun disperses the dew. That's affirmation, waking up in the morning and saying it to yourself. And so you have a smooth day. Right? Ojo. This is why Yoruba is so nice and good and so always positive, you know.